Hello all and welcome to this minimal tutorial for a Hello World example using HPX. You can find these instructions in the quick start of our documentation. And before we get started, just make sure you have an HPX installation complete. You can find instructions of how to do so in the documentation, so either in the quick start or in the manual. So, to get started with this minimal example, you just need to create a new project directory and a file CMake list.txt, and we need this to build an executable using CMake and HPX. So first, I need to set the minimum required version of CMake for our project. So I will just do CMake minimum required, then the version is 3.18. Then we need to set up the project with a given name. So we do project, then we give a name, my HPX project for example, and then we just define that this is a C++ project. Then we need to instruct CMake to find the HPX package. So we do find package and then HPX, which is required. This means that if CMake doesn't find HPX, then it will throw an error. Then we need to add an executable to the project. So we do add executable, and then we will name this my HPX program. And our executable file will be main.cpp. And finally, we just need to link the executable with the HPX libraries that we need. So we need to do target link libraries, and then our name is my HPX program, and the libraries that we will need are HPX, then we also need wrap main, and then we also need iostreams component. So our CMake list is now ready, and we can switch to our executable file. So you need to create a main.cpp, and this will be quite simple. In this case, we will just need to include hpx main.hpp. Then we also need to include hpx iostream.hpp. And then we have our main. So this is quite simple, you can ignore the red lines. We just need to say hello to the world, so it's hpx out, then our message, and then possibly a new line, and then we just flush, and then we need to return 0. And this is important because when we include hpx main.hpp, then the user-defined main gets renamed, and the real main function is defined by HPX. So this means that the user-defined main must include a return statement, unlike the real main. So if you do not include this return statement here, you may end up with compile time or even runtime errors. So our executable now is ready, and we can go to our project directory, and we need to create a build directory. We change to this directory, and now we run CMake. So we do CMake with CMake prefix path, and here we include our path of the HPX installation. Here I have my path, and this means that the CMake list is a directory path basically. So I run this, and then I do make all, and this will build my HPX program. Once this is ready, I can just run my HPX program to get the message that I want. So I just do my HPX program, and there we go, hello world. So this is it. It's quite simple. I guess this looks like a regular C++ hello world, with the exception of the two includes and the cout. So when we include the HPX main, then HPX makes sure that main actually gets launched on the HPX runtime. So this means that you can now use futures, async, parallel algorithms, and many more, which make use of the HPX runtime with lightweight threads. So that's it. You can refer to our documentation for more information and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you, everybody.